Good day, my dear students. Okay, before we start, may I call Joanna to lead the prayer? Amen. Okay, before you take your seat, kindly arrange your chairs. Okay, is there any absent for today, class? Very good. Okay, now class, before we move on to our new lessons, let us recall first the lesson that we tackled last meeting. Okay, what it is all about. That's right. It is all about decimal. Okay, what is decimal? Okay, can you please read? Okay, a decimal is a number that consists of a whole and a fractional part. Decimal numbers lie between integers and represent numerical value for quantities that are whole plus some part of a whole. Okay, for your better understanding, I have here a short activity. Okay, write the following in words. Okay, who wants to answer number one? Okay, Noah. Okay, what is 90.7 in words? Very good. It is 90 and 7 tenths. Okay, how about 8.005? Okay, Irish. Okay, very good. 85 and 5 thousandths. Okay, and the last one, 7.403. Okay, Stephen. Very good. It is 7 and 403,000. Okay. So today I have here a game. The name of the game is What Am I? Okay, this is a riddle. Oh, so you need to guess what would be the answer for the following riddle. Okay, are you ready, class? Okay, let's start. Okay, I have here a popsicle sticks. Each of one has your name. Okay, I will pick the popsicle sticks and answer the given riddle. Okay, for number one. Okay, Nicole, what is I have an exact location in space. I am represented by a dot. Okay, what is the answer? Very good. It is a point. Okay, for the second one. Okay, Joanna. I have no endpoint and I can go on and on in opposite directions. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, let's see. Very good. It is a line. Okay, for the third, I start out at a point and can be extended in one direction. Okay, Camille, what is the answer? Okay, let's see. Very good. It is a ray. Okay, for the last one, I am part of a line with two endpoints. Okay, Tessie, what is the answer? Okay, let's see. Very good. It is a line segment. Okay, do you have an idea on our new lesson for today? Okay, it is about lines. Okay, but before we move on, please read the objectives. Okay, at the end of the discussion, the pupil should be able to identify parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting lines. Okay, for number two, Appreciate the importance of different line in real life situations. Okay, for number 3, draw perpendicular and parallel lines using a ruler. Okay, okay. So now we have here a visitors. Okay, who can tell me who is our visitors? Okay, that's right. He is Detective Conan. Okay, who can tell me the job of Detective Conan? Okay, very good. He solved mysteries and cases. Okay, okay. So, can you help him to solve the forming lines cases? Okay, I will group you into 3 groups. Okay, row 1 will be the group 1 and row 2 will be the group 2 and row 3 will be the group 3. Okay, now I have here envelope cases. These are the forming lines cases. Each each of the group will given one envelope given with instructions. Okay, I will give you 10 minutes to finish this task. Okay, you will discuss your activity after. Okay, are you ready, class? Okay. Okay, are you done, class? Okay. Okay, please discuss your work. May I call your representative for each groups? Okay. Okay. So what geometric figures are similar to the pair of lines that you have created? Okay, for group 1. Okay, it is a parallel lines. Okay, for group 2. Okay, it is a intersecting lines. Okay, for group 3. Okay, it is a perpendicular lines. Okay. Okay, class. So now you are ready to learn our new lesson. Okay. Look at the figure here. Okay. Do they meet each other if we extend the lines in both directions? Okay, no. Okay, this line is what we call parallel lines. So, what does parallel lines mean? Okay, very good. Lines that do not meet each other. Okay, can you please read the example? Okay, how do we read these parallel lines? Okay, line H that doesn't meet line G. Okay, let's have second figure. Okay, do they meet each other in both directions? Okay, yes, they meet in both directions. So, what is the name of these lines? Very good. These intersecting lines. So, what does intersecting lines mean? Okay, intersecting line means are lines that cross each other at same point. Okay, can you tell me what is the name of these intersecting lines? Okay, very good. Line M intersect line P. Okay, and the last figure. Okay, what do you observe in the lines here? Okay, we have the lines that intersect in 4 corners. So, what does this line called? Okay, very good. It's perpendicular lines. So what is the name of these perpendicular lines? Okay, line E is perpendicular with line F. Okay. Okay, now that you know the three different pairs of lines, I have here a set of examples. Okay, I want you to identify that type of lines so you can tell me where this object is parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines. Okay, class, I will pick up popsicle with your name. Okay, to answer this figure. Okay, for number one, what types of lines is in the first figure? Okay, Jessa, very good. It is parallel lines. Okay, and the second figure? Okay, Monica. Okay, very good. It is perpendicular lines. Okay, Anna, what is the third figure? Very good. It is a intersecting lines. Okay, next. What figure is similar in this object? Okay, Joanna. Very good. It is intersecting lines. And the second, Danica. Okay, it is perpendicular lines. And the third and the last figure, Camille, what is the answer? Very good. It is parallel lines. Okay. So, now, what have you learned today? Okay. We learned different types of lines. Okay. What are the three types of lines? It is a parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines. Okay. Okay, class. What is parallel lines? Okay, I will pick popsicles, class. Okay, Francen. What is parallel lines? Okay, are lines that do not meet each other. Okay. And what is intersecting line? Okay, Stephen. Okay, very good. It, intersecting lines are lines that cross each other at same point. Okay, and the last one, perpendicular lines. Okay, Cassie. Okay, very good. The lines that intersect in four corners. Okay, let's have a group activity. Okay, now okay, I will divide you into three groups. You have to draw the given task and each group will work together in illustrating the given figures to show the different types of lines. After all groups have finished, display your work in the board. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes to finish your works. Okay, we have here the rubrics. Okay, for cooperation, 15 points. For silence, 15 points. For and presentation and group effort, 20 points. and the total of 50 points. Okay. Okay, for group 1, time using hand of a clock at 4. And for group 2, window panes or jalousie. And for group 3, electric post. Okay, you may start. Okay, are you done? Okay, very good. Okay, class. Again, what have you learned today? Okay, different types of lines. Why lines are important in our daily life? Okay. Always remember that lines are fundamental element of object in our daily life. They can be used in a variety of ways to create different objects, construction, and infrastructures. Okay, active for your quiz, okay, identify the names of each kind of lines. Tell whether it is a parallel, perpendicular, or intersecting lines. Okay, are you done? Okay, very good. Who wants to answer number 1? Okay, Jonard. Okay, the types of lines in this figure is parallel lines. Very good. Okay, for number 2, what types of line of this figure? Okay, it is perpendicular lines. Okay, how about number 3? Very good, it is intersecting lines. And for number 4, okay, very good, it is intersecting lines. Okay, for number 5, what figure is this? Very good, it is parallel lines. Okay, for the last one, okay, it is perpendicular lines. Okay, for your assignment, tell the kind of lines referred to each item. Okay, number 1, capital letter H. For number 2, capital letter X. For number 3, hands of a clock at 3:30. And for the last one, corner of a blackboard